Student, today my topic name is soil erosion and conservation. सोइल इरोजन क्या होती है? जब एक फर्टाइल टॉप सोइल हवा और रेन और रिवर के द्वारा जब उसके ऊपर की चीजें उड़ जाती हैं तो उसे सोइल इरोजन कहते हैं. द लॉस ऑफ फर्टाइल टॉप सोइल मेक्स द लैंड अनफिट फॉर फार्मिंग. तो जो हमारी जो ये लैंड होती है वो फार्मिंग के लिए अनफिट होती है. Soil erosion occurs in those areas where the topsoil is bare and not covered with plants. ये वैसी धरती हो जाती है जो कि प्लांट से कवर्ड नहीं होती है. Due to soil erosion, the land loses its fertility and becomes barren. बंजर जमीन हो जाती है. Soil erosion can also cause water pollution and landslides. Plants act as soil binders. The roots of plants and trees growing in the soil bind and particles of topsoil together. Due to this binding of soil particles, the wind and water are not able to carry away the topsoil easily. अगर जमीन पर पेड़ पौधे लगाए जाएंगे तो इनके जो प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं वो बहती नहीं है. The wind and water are not able to carry away the topsoil easily. Hence, the plants are very helpful in preventing the erosion of soil. They act as soil binders. Causes of soil erosion. The factors which are responsible for soil erosion are called the agents of erosion. Wind and running water are natural agents of soil erosion. Many human activities also causes soil erosion, जिसमें जैसे running water. When it rains, some rainwater seeps into the ground and some evaporates. The rest of rainwater flow on the land and takes a part of the soil with it. The causes soil erosion. Soil erosion by water is more in hilly areas as the water flow down faster. The flowing water of a river also causes soil erosion along the banks. Thus, more and more soil is carried by river water as it flows down. On reaching the plains, the flow of rivers slow down parts of soil, therefore get deposited on the way. This is called silting. This deposited soil increases over a period of time and makes river change their way. This causes flooding that result in loss of life and property. Second, wind. In desert, where grasses and plants are less, strong winds causes soil erosion. The strong wind blow away the topsoil from one place to another. Deforestation. Cutting down of tree on a large scale is called deforestation. When trees and plants are cut down, the topsoil become loose, so it can be easily carried away by the strong wind or running water. Overgrazing. When grazing animals like a cow, sheep and goats are made to graze on the same area of land again and again, they eat up most of the green grass and other plants. As a result, the soil becomes loose. It can easily be carried away by strong wind or running water. जब जानवर एक ही जगह बार बार चरकर वहाँ की सारी घास खत्म कर देते हैं तो वहाँ की जो लैंड होती है वो एक तरह से बंजर हो जाती है. Plowing of hillsides. Plowing of lands also leaves bare or loose soil which causes erosion due to strong wind or running water. Conservation of soil. Soil is very important natural resources and nature took millions of years to form soil. Soil जो होती है वो हमारा एक natural resource है जो कि काफी लंबे टाइम से बनता आ रहा होता है. So we should protect the soil from its erosion. The protection of soil from its erosion is called conservation soil. इसके लिए हम सबसे पहले करेंगे एफोरेस्टेशन. ग्रोइंग ऑफ ट्रीज ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल इज कॉल्ड एफोरेस्टेशन. जब हम एक ही लैंड पर बहुत लंबे लार्ज स्केल पर ट्री उगाते हैं तो उसे एफोरेस्टेशन कहा जाता है. इफ द ट्रीज हैव टू बी कट डाउन फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट फॉर वेरियस नीड्स देन न्यू ट्रीज शुड बी प्लांटेड इन प्लेस ऑफ द कट ट्रीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफॉरेस्टेशन. अवॉइडिंग ओवरग्रेजिंग. हमें अपने जानवरों को एक ही जगह बार बार नहीं चराना चाहिए. We should take care that the grazing animals are not allowed to graze on the same area of land continuously for a long time. Growing plants in farmlands. When the land is not being used for farming, it is good to grow grass or some other plants to bind the soil particles together which help to prevent soil erosion. Farmers grow seasonal vegetable and pulses to protect the soil erosion until next crop is planted. Growing bushes or trees along the edges of farmland reduces soil erosion by reducing the speed of wind. Step farming. On hill slopes, the flow of rainwater is very rapid. It carries away a lot of fertile topsoil. Farming is done by cutting steps in the hill slopes. This method is called terrace or step farming. This reduces the speed of water as it flows down and therefore reduces soil erosion. Construction of embankments. Running water washes away a large portion of the fertile topsoil during floods. जब floods आते हैं तो बहुत सारा fertile topsoil चला जाता है. If strong embankments of rocks and stones are constructed on both the sides of a river or stream, it would help to prevent flooding of water in the adjoining fields and check soil erosion. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए. बी हैप्पी एंड बी सेफ.